Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode. After that, you're working, then you make the styles you want. As many styles as you want for this video, you make your styles. After that, you can now work out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project, import your video to workspace. At this point, click on the video, go and locate volume, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on that grid and go back. So at this point, click on the video, trim out 3 seconds, okay? After 3 minutes out now, click on anywhere, click on overlay, add overlay, import the video for the second time, import it. At this time, click it and make it fit the screen. Then you click on volume and reduce it to 0. Reduce it to 0. After that, click on that grid and go back. We want to trim out 3 seconds out of this one like you did to the first one. Click it and trim out 3 seconds as well. Then click it, take it to the beginning of the other one. Okay. After doing this now, click on the video, go and locate remove BG. Click on remove BG auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. Exercise patient. Allow it to remove completely. Okay. Allow it to remove. Now he has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, we want to duplicate the video. Okay, to the number of style we have here. So locate duplicate. Click on duplicate and duplicate it to the number of style you have in your video. After duplicating it now, you come back. Look at this place. Locate this place where you jump up. Look at this place. Good. Immediately you jump up, click on the video and go and look for freeze. Click on the video where you jump up this place, you go and look for freeze. Okay, click it, go and look for freeze. Click on freeze now. Look at this first part of the video, click it and delete it. Delete that part, delete that part. Click on this one as well and delete it. Come to this freezed part, click it, come to this edge and drag it to the beginning of the video. At this place now, what you want to be doing, look at this place. Immediately you make it, you come back this place, make it around, then you trim it to that part, trim it to this part. This first part is ready now. We want to go and drag the second part, so go and drag one of the freezed video, drag it to the beginning of the video again for the second time. Make sure it gets to the beginning. Okay, we want to grade the second star. So at this point now, look at this very place where you bend down. Look at this place where you bend down. Click on the video. Still go and locate freeze, guys. Locate freeze. Freeze this part like you did to the first one. Click this one and make a delete. Delete the first part here. Delete this last part as well. Click on this freeze part, drag it to the beginning like you did to the first one. So this time the second video is ready, but you are going to trim it. Watch. So immediately you bend down, look at this place, trim it as well. Trim it like you did to the first one. Trim it. This time the second part of the video is ready. Go and drag the third part. Drag the video again to the beginning for the third time. Drag it to the beginning. Make sure it gets to the beginning. Okay, make sure it gets to the beginning. Drag it and make sure it gets to the beginning. Let's grade the third part of the video. Look at this place now. You click the video, you go and look for freeze. This place, click the video, look for freeze. Freeze that part as well. Click on this first one, make a delete. Click on the last part, make a delete. Still click this one, drag it again to the beginning. Now the third part of the video is ready. Okay, but remember you are trimming it. Immediately you enter now or you trim it. Okay, trim it. Good. So at this point we want to create the last part. So go and drag the last video now. Take it to the beginning of the video again, guys. Take time to do your own so that you will not make mistake. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers. So take it to the beginning. Okay, so take it to the beginning now. Locate the last star now. Locate the last star. Look at this place. Click it now. Go and look for freeze again. Look for freeze again. Click on freeze, guys. Click on freeze. Freeze that part again. Then you click the first part, delete like you have been doing. Delete this part, delete it. Then you delete the last part as well like we have been doing. Click this one and drag it to the beginning also, like we have been doing. Now we have created the fourth part of the video. We now have 4 images there, as you can see. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, so at this point we want to trim that last part. Look at that last part. Okay, we want to trim it. No, go back. Immediately you enter, then you are going to trim it. Okay, click and you make a trim. Okay, no, go back, trim it. Good. So at this point, this video, I think, is ready. I think and I believe it's ready. So now you are playing the video. At the cost of playing it, if there is any adjustment, you make your necessary adjustment. But at this point, I want to assure you that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your light effect, your sound effect, your color, and after that you can now export your video with ease. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates? Okay, but there is another thing, another information I think you need to know about this video. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. The reason being that you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use Capcut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video, and after watching it now, you can now come back and know and learn how you can export your video to your gallery, and after doing that, you can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, until I come your way again, stay safe.